UNI token is down by 8%. The current price is around $5.89, and after an explosive over 500% price surge, obviously having a little bit of a correction isn't something that is very unbelievable. I did sell a little bit of UNI. As a matter of fact, I sold my last 200 UNI around $7.28. So I'm just going to be giving you my little bit of technical analysis as far as Uniswap is concerned. Now, I'm obviously long-term bullish with regards to Uniswap, and I really think that Uniswap can reach more than $20, but you just have to understand how the markets work. Of course, I'm going to be looking at a few areas that are most likely going to be support and resistance levels, and I'm hopefully trying to get in and just trying to see whether these support levels are going to be holding very strong. Like for example, this one right over here, right? We obviously faced some resistance around this area, right? So as you can see here, we are sort of bouncing off of it because that was the previous resistance. Because if we take a look at this particular price threshold around $5.70 was like a resistance area. But you have to remember that we did not really spend a lot of time trying to bypass this type of resistance here. So obviously the support can't really be that certified, so we might just end up potentially going down like that and just trending towards the downside. And hopefully I am trying to buy back around the $3 level, because we obviously spent quite a lot of times here in this particular resistance levels. So this is obviously going to be like a very easy price sort of support level, and from there we are obviously going to see what is going to be happening. However, if we talk about the inflation rate, right, so I have done a little bit of research. It really seems that we are going to be receiving about 500,000 UNI tokens per week, right? These are the rewards that people are going to be getting by obviously providing liquidity and just staking and all that good stuff, right? So there's obviously going to be a lot of Uniswap which is going to be flocking and just hitting the markets every week. So obviously the price is not really going to be as explosive, because there's going to be like a very good dilution in terms of the price. However, if we take a look at the expected fully diluted market valuation, right, we are obviously looking at 5.9 billion US dollars. And if we take a look at the current market cap, right, 647 million, we are way undervalued. This is one of the reasons why obviously during the peak of the next bull run, right, we are obviously going to experience the market cap valuation of UNI token way above 2 billion US dollars, and that's like a really good amount of money. So to all the people who are wondering, yes, I'm going to buy back, and I'm looking forward to buying back around the $3 level. Of course, this might not happen. We might just end up bouncing off of this support and then just going to the upside. Nobody really knows, but hey, I'm just trying to, trying to be very conservative and just trying to see what might happen. I'm not trying to get way too bullish. Moreover, I received these tokens for free, so yeah, even if I sell off and just buy back a little bit later, I'm not really going to suffer that much, but I'm just trying to maximize my profits. And a lot of people really made a lot of free money, right? And when people make that free money, obviously there's going to be like some sell-offs. So are we going to be able to see the $5.60 hold, or we are going to end up breaking? So once we crack this particular resistance, or rather support, right, resistance turned into support, then there's a high likelihood that we are going to end up coming back to the $3.70 price threshold, and that is obviously going to be like a very good reaccumulation level. So yeah, I don't really know whether we can end up dropping to that low, but of course with time anything is possible. Besides that, we can also look at the $4.21 level, and that is obviously going to provide like some good support for the UNI token. So yeah, that's all I had for you. Yeah, take a look at the inflation rate of UNI tokens and just find out how many UNI tokens are going to be offloaded to the market, because you have to remember that all these people who are staking and just providing liquidity and earning UNI tokens, right, they're obviously going to be offloading that on the market, and that is obviously going to increase the amount of UNI token which is available. And on the contrary, a lot of different institutions might end up buying UNI token, so that would obviously increase the price of UNI token, because I hear that there's a lot of institutional money looking forward to accumulating UNI token, so that would obviously just pump up the price, and that would be very explosive. But you have to remember that these are my short-term trades, right? I'm just doing, as you can see right here, I'm using the 15 minutes and I'm looking at very small time frames. So if you guys are different type of traders, then this strategy is not going to work for you. You are better off just accumulating and dollar cost averaging. Okay, so to all the extreme day traders out there, then obviously flipping over to the 1 hourly and you know, the 4 hourly, that's obviously going to yield you some good pocket change. Because if you take a look at this particular drop, right, that was obviously like an 18% price increment. So 18% in a few hours is obviously very remarkable. So these are the situations that I usually look forward to. So anyhow, please let me know, what is your strategy with regards to UNI token? Are you going to be holding it? Are you going to be adding to your bags? Are you going to be providing liquidity? What is your plan? And do you have any other coins that are very unique, just like Uniswap? So please let me know in the comment section below. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Take care.